Gurudev Vidyalaya started giving computer education from last year, and we got 10 computers from Apni Pathshala, Mumbai-based NGO, which is giving rural computer education, and it's a fabulous job done by Pathshala, and I would definitely salute to the MD and entire team, NGO team who is working tirelessly for this computer education of rural India, and I wish them all the best and let your vision be accomplished in coming future. Great work. Thank you so much. I feel myself very lucky to be part of this great noble team that is Apni Pathshala NGO.